In this video, I'm going to attempt to refill my air conditioning system on my Audi A2 TDI. It has got automatic climate control, but it doesn't work very well. It doesn't get down to temperature, so I'm guessing it needs regassing. So that is what I'm going to do. I have bought a kit off of that there Amazon, Thompson's. I'm hoping I've got everything in here that I need to carry this out. So, what's inside the box? Why have I got a clear bag? Is that to put the... I don't know. I've got an empty envelope. Instructions. Okay, read through that in a minute. The actual air conditioning itself. Hydrocarbon replacement, environmentally safe. Okay. So, yeah, there's the tin. And we've got the hose. So that end, I presume, goes onto the tin. And I think that end clips onto the aircon pipe, which I actually don't know which pipe it is yet, so I need to investigate that as well. Hopefully there can only be one, but we'll see. So yes, that is the kit. I'm going to have a quick read through of the instructions in a minute, and then I'll see if I can mess it up. No doubt I can. Right, so as part of the thing, I thought I'd better check the temperature coming out of the vents. So let me turn it on. Okay, so we're on auto. What do I need to do? So maximum, as low as it will go. Maximum fan. Vents are open. Okay, so all the vents are open. We're on low. Has dropped a little bit, but let's see what we're reading. (25, 26 degrees centigrade, which isn't very cold. Okay, let's crack on and do this and see what it's like at the end. See if it's made any difference at all. Right, so these are the two aircon pipes that I've got. They're not labelled up with anything, which is handy. So that one goes on there. Okay, so that one. So that one can go back on there, so I need that one. Okay, so I need to make sure that this is fully up inside there, which it is, and that's going to pierce that. So screw that on there. Like that. And then put that on there. Okay, got no reading there at the moment. I suppose, is that good? Don't know. Not sure. Right, now I need to start the engine and put everything on max cold. It says recirculation on as well, so it's as low as it will go, as fast as it will go, all the vents are open and it's on recirc. Okay. Okay, gauge is moving. Getting very cold. I've got no idea what I'm doing. That's freezing, that is. I think that's empty. And we're in the blue. Now what? Oh, I should have turned the engine off before disconnecting the hose. Okay. Restart the vehicle, wait for 10 minutes, and then retake your pressure reading. Okay. Do I need to do that? I think that's colder. Oh, look at that! It's gone from 25 down to 13, 12. That might be a bit drastic. That's working. I've got air conditioning. Okay, so if I do auto 18, I would say that is a success. Fantastic. So that was the Thompson's aircon refill kit off of Amazon. I'll put a link for it down below. I'm not affiliated or anything. It's just a link to Amazon. But that didn't take very long at all. It was very quick, very easy, and it seems to have worked. Result. Thank you very much for watching. Catch you in the next one. Cheers and gone.